Greetings, Eau Claire Energy Cooperative members. My name is Jeff Frieburg and I'm a candidate for Director in District 8 at our 2026 annual meeting. If you're watching this video, you're likely looking to learn a little more about me than what's included in my printed biography. First, I want to say thank you. Thank you for the trust you placed in me over the past 22 years. Serving as your director has truly been an honor. Being a director at ECEC is both exciting and challenging. Our industry is constantly changing and staying prepared is essential. That's why I continue to invest in my education through the NRECA Director Certification Program. I also meet with our legislators to ensure your voices are heard on issues that affect our cooperative, and I attend local and city and town meetings to better understand the concerns of the communities we serve. I regularly connect with other cooperative leaders across Wisconsin and the country so we can learn from one another and bring best practices back home. Looking back over the past 22 years, we've accomplished a great deal together. We've upgraded our system with smart meters, launched one of the first community solar projects in the state, remodeled our headquarters, and most recently completed a new garage and warehouse facility. These investments help protect our equipment, support our employees, and ensure we continue delivering safe, reliable, and affordable power to our members. Today, Eau Claire Energy Cooperative is well positioned for the future. Our board is engaged, our employees are skilled and committed, and ECEC remains a trusted partner in the communities we serve. Although I do not have an opponent in this year's election, my commitment has not changed. I remain enthusiastic, passionate, and deeply grateful for the opportunity to continue serving as your director. Thank you for your time, your trust, and continued support.